Nimlay!
Creamlad.
สวัสดีครับเลินนิมไลค์เลินซอนน้ำลายเลิน
Creamlad.
นิมไลค์นิมเลิดนิมลอดนิมเลน
Nimlay. Lud. Lin.
Ayusin na. Cut muna. So, ayun guys. Get ready, get set, go with us.
Tapos na talaga mag-get ready.
O, ano na lang, feed check na lang to. So, top from Shein of Holiday Comparisons. I don't know if I don't like it. Hindi ganun. Tapos yung pants ko, hindi ko rin alam kung saan ko siya nabili. Okay ata to. Tapos itong ano ko, Hillary, na may veneers. Yan, nagpa-veneers kasi ako eh. Ayan, ito, Shein of Holiday Comparisons veneers. Then yung aking Hillary.
Yeah.
Tapos ito ay excess baggage. Tapos
Yeah.
ayan, Kaito.
Cairo.
Ayan, ito nabili ko to sa Taiwanable. Tapos kinimiantes, tas mga silver lang.
Me
Ayun lang
naman.
naman. You.
I got this in Okay.
Yeah.
Remember?
5 pesos.
10.
10 pesos.
And nakita natin sa mall.
Yes! 350 ata. Yan.
Tapos itong short, bigay ng friend ko. And
Cotton on.
cotton on from you.
Yeah.
That's all. And this bag, guess,
Just from,
Tita Rakas.
yeah.
And all this from you.
Kisses. Bye guys.